For this episode, we figured an Irish restaurant needed to be paired with an Irish band. Kilrush has been delighting audiences for over 25 years with their unique blend of traditional and original Irish music. Highlighted by catchy melodies and raucous instrumentation, the group has an extremely dedicated fan base that rarely misses a performance.
Whiskey, whiskey on Nancy, oh. Whiskey, whiskey on Nancy, whiskey. Whiskey, whiskey, whiskey. One more time now! Whiskey, whiskey on Nancy, whiskey. Whiskey, whiskey on Nancy, oh. Whiskey, whiskey on Nancy, whiskey. Whiskey, 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 Nancy.